Suggestion: none. Microsoft is rolling out a brand new Teams experience, and it's packed with awesome upgrades. At CMIT Boston, Newton, Waltham, we're here to guide you through these changes. Starting March 31st, 2024, Microsoft began automating the switch to new Teams. What's new? Faster installation, lower CPU usage, and cool features like multiple account linking and enhanced chat functionalities. Plus, you can customize settings and enjoy improved channel and meeting experiences. We're not just talking a facelift. New Teams is smoother, faster, and easier to use, making your workday a breeze. And guess what? CMIT Boston, Newton, Waltham is ready to support you with expert advice and training. Got questions? Need help? Visit our Managed IT Services in Waltham or Managed IT in Boston pages. Let's make this transition smooth and unlock the full potential of new Teams together. Contact us today and let's get started.